Pleasant good morning to everybody. We're going to start our 5-mile walk this morning. For the most part, you just need to do 30 minutes per day, but I normally just go 5 miles, whatever time it takes. So during the 5-mile walk, if you feel like you have to pick up the pace a little bit, then you can do a brisk run. You know, you don't have to stay walking straight, you know. Sometimes you just pick up the pace, get a little run in it as well. You might very well find that you will run for a mile, even half mile. Like this morning it's cold, so you want to pick up the pace, warm up your body a little bit. So let's get it done. We're at the 1-mile mark and heading forward. Remember guys, if you're doing a 2-mile run, this is where you would turn back. So when I said I'm doing a 5-mile walk, run walk, I simply mean that I'm doing 2.5 forward and then 2.5 back towards home. And as I told you, it is super duper cold here this morning. Maybe just at 48, 49 degrees. Yeah. But the sun is out and it's getting nice. So the sun, let me see if I can show now. Yeah, right there. So getting the morning started right. All right. I ran just about half mile this morning, and if I feel like I'm gonna run a little bit more, but it's not a stress. I'm not put myself under stress. We're just doing it casually as we go along. And this is an effort to not only get in some exercise, but to burn off that excess sugar that your body creates when you just start your morning. Your body give you sugar, you know, to our glucose, so that you have enough energy. So by say 9:30, 10 o'clock, you start to feel your energy start to go down. That's usually because that's when you should be taking in your first meal for the day. And remember, breakfast is not quintessential breakfast items. Breakfast items are not healthy for you. The American breakfast items anyway. And so start your day right, yeah? Get in some fruits and remember, no sugar. So get in some fruits, natural fruits, and whatever else you can get in. I will show you a little bit of what I'm doing today. Yeah, let's get it. At the 2-mile mark, and this is where I'm turning. I'm heading that way, and by the time I finish this stretch here, it should be 2.5, and then I head back home, and that's how I complete 5 miles. Yeah, sometimes I go the other way, keep going north, but yeah, that's how we do it. And right now we are at leveling out point. We do the high intensity part at the beginning of the journey. When you reach halfway now, you level out, and then you slow down the pace as you head into the final stretch. And get it done. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah, man. That's how you do 5 miles. 3 miles completed. On the way back home now. Yeah. So I did pretty much 4.94 miles. And normally I just don't turn off my walking app until, you know, me see it come up to 5. But yeah, by the time I go around and things, so it's basically 5. But that's the work for today. Now the next thing is, once I cool down, and do a little bit of stretch, I will look for something for breakfast. If we make juices or smoothies, normally we work with that. Otherwise we just, you know, start with some fruits, and from there we see how the rest of the day go. But yeah, 30 days sugar-free challenge or no sugar challenge starts now, and it begins with finding at least 30 minutes of your time to exercise, preferably in the morning. All right, the reason why I want to do in the morning is because that's when your body gives you that sugar rush, and so you exercise it down, and then you start your morning meal regime, and from there you're good to go. All right, big up on yourself. Yardie TV, remember me tell you.